So the SoHo sketch squares are one of these tools that is really nice to just always have with you. Like they come packaged in a way where you can easily throw it in your bag and have it when you want to do a gestural drawing or just quick things on the spot or bring it to class. They're really of a nice high quality. Some of the comments that we get on these are just how rich this is our black. We have the black sketch squares. It's the same thing. It's just a set of 12. The midnight compressed charcoal. It's the same thing as a sketch square. And I just want to give you an idea of how they lay down. So when you're using them, what you could expect. So I'm going to just use this on white paper, and right away you can see just how dark of a line that'll make, and it keeps a good edge. They are very soft. I want to give you some different marks that you can kind of see. And of course, like any kind of pastel, or if you want to snap it in half and do something smaller, you can. Also, people really thought that they blended very nicely. We had such a nice mark here at the beginning. I'll just kind of take it and show you how nicely they blend out. For doing tonal work, or if you want to blend colors together, and I'll show you some artwork we did with them so you can get an idea. But this is one, we have a set of white, gray, and black that our resident artist Adam did of this panda here to kind of show you how the white would work on like a toned paper, and how they kind of work together in symmetry. You can see that the grays are incorporated with the whites. And then something done with the sanguines and sepias. We have our hermit crab. Our hermit crab here. I really love how soft, because you can see, like, going here, I'm very kind of heavy-handed with what I do. It's a very hard line I make and kind of pull out some of the color. But it's amazing just how soft and beautiful the lines can be, because they do blend so well and they erase nicely. So those are the SoHo sketching squares. If you go through a lot, the set of 12 of the black is a great thing to have, because you don't run out very quickly. And if you want to try some of the different tone colors, the 3-packs are great, especially for bringing them with you. So SoHo compressed charcoal sketch squares, give them a try. They're a really great option for artists that want to either loosen up or bring some art supplies with them.